Hey everybody, it's Jenny McGarvey and I am back today to share with you how I planned this week in the classic Happy Planner. I am using the Coastal Happy Planner, so it's fairly neutral. And then I'm going to use this Womankind sticker book. I really hadn't gotten a chance to sort of dig in, and there's so many really pretty stickers. Now I did already flip through and I chose this Don't Look Back as sort of the inspiration for the week. And so I went ahead and just stuck it right there in the center on Wednesday. And I'm going to create a not a focal point, I'm sorry, a visual triangle for the week. And so the Don't Look Back is the first point. And then I'm creating this cluster over on the weekend because thank goodness there's not a ton going on, so I'm really looking forward to some free time. Now down at the bottom on Wednesday, I'm also placing that half round sticker, which the verdict is out, by the way, on how I feel about those. But anyway, not the point. I am going to add a couple of the clear rainbows that are in this book to that sticker because I'm not going to use it how it was designed. I'm just going to use it as part of a decorative piece. So these little rainbows, I'm going to add a couple of those down to the bottom. I'm sticking to sort of this coral and light pink, blush pink, if you will, color palette, and I wasn't really sure initially how I was going to feel about it, but spoiler alert, I really, really, really like it. I think it's just so pretty. So I'm just still continuing to flip through, which I know can be kind of a frustrating part of the process, but just trying to find things that will work not only design-wise, but then also for this color palette. I absolutely love the way that thin sticker looks over that box sticker. Now I know that box sticker is probably for lists or those types of things, but I don't foresee myself using it in that way, so I figured I could use it on this particular week to add the colors that I really wanted to use. I also wanted to use one of those Hello Weekend stickers. I'm sure we'll find it again, but it just doesn't match, and so I'm a little disappointed about that. You can see I added that triangle banner sticker, the note to self, and again, I just love the way that cluster is coming together. It's super cute. I absolutely could have left it like that because I just kind of love it, but I will continue to build upon it. Now the stickers in this student book are there is a color palette that goes perfectly with these Womankind stickers, so I'm using a couple of those as well to fill in the activities. Again, it feels like kind of a light week, which is not a bad thing. I really kind of love that, so not a problem at all, but I'm just continuing to look for stickers that I can add my activities. And you can see I need to add this little quarter box on Tuesday, and it's just kind of the perfect size and the perfect sticker for what I have going on Tuesday. And then I can add this to-do sticker as well. My style has changed a little bit and morphed a little bit over the summer, that I'm not finding myself using these checklists quite as often, but I still think it can be fun to add one or two each week, especially on the days that I know that I'm really sort of buckling down on activities and getting things done. So, and those ones that have the flags at the top, this happened last week too. My pets started going crazy as soon as I recorded audio, so I apologize if you got to just listen to my cat hiss at my dog. Sorry about that. Anyway, I love the little flags at the top of the to-do list. I just think they're the cutest things ever, and they're just such a welcome addition to the checklist lineup, for me anyway. Again, another one of those banner stickers. I don't know what it is about these particular stickers. I don't know if it's the colors or whatever, but I'm really crushing on those this week. I think that they are the perfect attention grabber, but then also just look really good with the clusters that I'm creating as well. Now, so those are those Hello Weekend stickers I was talking about that I really wanted to use, but it just doesn't work. The colors don't work out, but I'm really bummed about it because I love them and I think they're just super cute. But they'll get used again later in the future, so no worries. And you can see I found a mini one that works okay. Like, it's still not perfect, but it blends in well enough that it's really not that big of a deal. I also keep flipping past all those florals. They're so cute and I wanted to use them, but this week wasn't really a floral week, so I'm having to pass them by. So I'm just adding this one last activity sticker, and then I'm going to fill in a couple of the last details, and then I am all set for this week. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching how I planned. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my very best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.